Racing our 1965 Classic Series at Nassau Circuit. Coming up next. Hello once again, slot car race fans. Welcome back to another race in our 1965 Classic Series. And tonight we are down in the Bahamas where we will be racing on the Nassau Circuit, which is this big colossal thing right behind me here. And if you would like to learn how to build this, join us on our masterclass coming up at the end of this video where I will show you personally how to build this amazing track. And while you're sticking around for the video, don't forget that we are also going to be giving away this great truck coming up soon, and the details for that will also be at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's go down to the races.
Are you going to film? Yeah, but...
Whoa. Say something. Like tonight, we're down here at the Bahamas, racing away. There's only 3 of us. As everybody else is hiding. It is August, so vacation. It's 13 laps. Trevor, Glenn, and Rosie. Minutes and 45 seconds remaining. 126. Yeah, I need to send them. Bumper shot. laps, 162. 3 seconds.
3 seconds, okay.
Here we are after the race. I've got 63 points, Glenn got 57, and Rosie came in third with 32. So let's see where we are in our standings. And here we are at our standings after race number 7. I'm in first place with 224 points, just beating out Howard at 221. In third is Glenn at 216, fourth is Kevin with 207, fifth place is Rosie with 92 points. In sixth place, we have Pete with 42. Seventh is Eric with 38. Mark is in eighth place with 30. And Craig is in ninth with 14. And wasn't that an amazing race? We only had 3 racers last night, but it was still good and fun. So next week we'll be at the African Grand Prix back in 1965, which is another one of those big colossal tracks. So you want to make sure that you are going to be there to see it. And now we're going to talk about our giveaway contest. We are giving this thing away when my Madcap Romanian channel hits 5,000 subscribers. So make sure that you get onto that and become a subscriber, because this will randomly be given away. This great Carrera tow truck with a drop-down lift gate, flashing lights, and a horn. Real cool stuff. I am giving this away. I want to give it away. Let's get that thing up to 5,000 subscribers. I think I'm at 4,200, so it's not that far away to go, but still quite a challenge. So if you're up for the challenge and you want to get this, your chance to win it anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family. And until next time, see you at the South African Grand Prix.